excited today. We have our newest repatriates coming in today, all the way from Barbados.
Yeah, that's him right there. He done snuck up. He done snuck up. What you got here? All right. All right. Caribou, caribou. You made it. We made it. We made it. How are you, my sister? Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Finally.
Yes, yes. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good, good. Welcome. All right.
Let's show you your room.
Okay, let me get the dance on.
Ta-da!
I love this rug. Now, I didn't even see it.
This is handmade rug.
Yes.
From India. I forgot where he said.
Because my back, so this would be perfect.
I know, because I knew you were saying your back, and I was like,
Yeah.
as we were fighting over, not fighting, but trying to figure out.
And I'm glad you got a lot of pillows because I love a lot of pillows.
Me too.
And I love my picture. The colors, I love it. I'm just going to have to add some more color.
Okay. Then remember, this is your base.
Uh-huh.
So you just put in and add and
Yeah.
make it your own, whatever you want to do to it.
It's going to be like this for a while. I'm just going to throw some bright pillows in there.
Okay.
You did the job. You did the thing. Nice bathroom.
Nice bathroom.
You picked that design out?
Yeah.
That is nice. And they did this?
Yep. I've had them do this before. It was white.
Wow.
And I told them,
I love it.
The floor, and it's cold in here, as you can see.
Okay.
It's chilly. It's not. You don't really need.
See, you miss your
Too much.
neck. You should have been a designer instead.
That's what I said. If I have to. But I get to live in my glory with it.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is ARS. Yes. Now, who doesn't love coming home to a home already done?
Already done.
Already done.
Did you capture? You,
And I didn't get scammed.
There you go. That's right.
Yeah.
let's show Sade her room.
Oh, I love it. It's so nice.
Oh,
now that's me. I love this. It's actually really nice. Is it the colors that you like, Sade? Yeah, I like it all.
Pink
Oh,
and
there's
blue?
a fan too.
Yeah, he hands in the closet.
Let me see. I love this one. It's so nice. I got a fan too? I love it. It's so nice. Can't wait to go to sleep.
All right, so we are headed to see some other apartments for different clients. Our client, she wants Tattoo City, and that's great, but I want to give an honest opinion about, for me, what I think about Tattoo City. And I understand the concept. I understand the ecosystem that they got created, and you know, the tight security system they have. And the traffic, you don't know. Okay. But I understand all of that. But for me, okay, so there's no elevators? Only stairs. There's no elevators. Mm-mm. Yeah.